How to fix Meta Business Suite not working. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Meta Business Suite. Move into this application. Right here you can see the option where it says open. But instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, what you want to do is simply click on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In the source bar, search for Business Suite. Click on this app. The option of offload app will be available to you. All you want to do is click on it. And then once again click on offload app. It will clear all the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Meta Business Suite not working. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.